TBI.
On December 21, 2021, chaos erupted on Jimmy Deloach Parkway when Officer Smith from Pooler Police Department heard Officer Johnson in pursuit of a stolen vehicle. Racing down I-95 at over 100 miles per hour, the suspect, John Doe, weaved dangerously, narrowly avoiding collisions.
So we're getting off at, I think.
As the chase intensified, John Doe exited onto Georgia 144, leading officers on a reckless westward flight. Attempts to stop him failed until Officer Smith intervened, forcing his vehicle to spin out. A foot chase ensued through dense woods, ending with John Doe's apprehension after a tense standoff. Found in his possession were crack pipes and stolen goods, leading to charges including DUI drugs and multiple traffic violations. John Doe was handed over to Pooler PD, marking the end of a dramatic pursuit that tested law enforcement's resolve.
Bryan County already has headed that way.
He's in reverse.
On March 6, 2024, at 8 a.m., Thurston County deputies initiated a traffic stop on Rich RDSC, setting off a dramatic sequence of events. As deputies approached, the passenger exited, and the driver, aged 29, provided a false identity before fleeing.
Give us a code 10. I'm going to spike it. Did you get it? No spike, no spike. Heading back towards Rich.
Down the Cheerless Trail right at Lacey Boulevard here.
Versus
50 miles an hour on the trail. Past mile marker 4.5 on the trail. It's going to be northbound over the trail, little ramp. We're going over the overpass over Pacific. Coming up to the overpass, going over I-5.
versus over I-5.
You need to advise Olympia as well, now that we're going to be in their territory. Then over the overpass, going for the one that goes over Martin Way. Mile marker 5.5 on the trail. 20 miles an hour.
Versus
590 hit one of the cones in the middle of the trail to stop cars from driving. We're eastbound 26. 36 is going for pit. Good pit, good pit.
eastbound 36, good pit.
TBI.
And TBI.
He's still going.
Good pit, good pit.
Eastbound 36, good pit.
TBI.
And TBI.
He's still going. Reversing eastbound. 5-9, he's in reverse. Hit a camper, code 10. Got him blocked in. Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands!
Exiting onto 26th Ave, deputies executed a successful pit maneuver, forcing the truck into a spin and collision within an occupied travel trailer in a mud field. Despite attempts to escape, deputies pinned the truck, leading to a standoff where the driver resisted arrest aggressively, prompting the deployment of a taser and a forced extraction. The driver, already wanted for eluding, assault on law enforcement, and possession of a stolen vehicle, now faces additional charges including DUI narcotics and renewed attempt to elude. The vehicle itself had a troubling history, recently linked to a convicted felon arrested with a firearm. In a tense and gripping operation on Interstate 40, the Specialized Drug Enforcement Task Force of the White County Sheriff's Office sprang into action. The moment they spotted their target, the suspect's vehicle erupted into a frantic bolt, weaving dangerously across lanes in a desperate bid for freedom. The chase intensified as traffic clogged the highway, creating a high-stakes labyrinth. The suspect pushed their vehicle to the brink, but law enforcement was relentless, strategically closing the gap with unwavering precision. The tension mounted as every second counted, leading to the critical moment of intervention. With impeccable timing, the tactical vehicle intervention maneuver was deployed. The high-speed interception sent the suspect's vehicle spiraling off course, bringing the chaos to an abrupt halt. In the midst of the commotion, officers moved in with swift efficiency, securing the suspect without further incident. Through decisive action and unyielding determination, the task force ensured the safety of the public and successfully apprehended the suspect. This operation stands as a testament to their unwavering commitment to keeping our communities safe from the ever-present threats of drug-related crimes.
Down! Don't you move! Hands behind your back! Put them behind your back! Don't you move! You understand me? Do not move! Clear the car! Clear the car! Clear the car!
I'm a fucking idiot, bro. I'm sorry. I'm a fucking retard.
Yeah, you are. Stand up, fucking idiot. Hey, get him. My car's on fire.
What do you think about this situation? We really look forward to hearing your opinions. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you found it interesting, please share it with your friends and family so they can also have some entertaining moments on the channel. Have a great day. See you again soon.